What's up, everyone? Here to do a quick review on my Zaffiri Precision's GLOCK 17L. I got it in last night. Yesterday, and I built it last night. I think it came together pretty well. I like the frame, but I did order a gray and black one as well, just to see how they look. I'm not sure about this tan, but right now it looks pretty good. I also got some Armory. I don't know if you ever heard of them. Some of their parts, like their magazine release, their magwell, a pin set, and they look pretty cool. But the barrel and the slide from Zaffiri Precision just looks awesome. I got it on I think p80builder.com, and the slide all came assembled, so there really wasn't much to do there. And I just had to, build the bottom part, and it was pretty damn easy. I mean, it took some time. It was a little tedious, but if you can do shit yourself, you won't have any problem at all doing it. Here it is with the Terran Tactical Magwell. I think it looks pretty badass. I stippled it myself. You can see, it's like the stipple that comes with it, but it's just a little bit more aggressive, And I also did up here for my thumb rest, but it just feels so good. I do like that grip angle, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really get in all the hype of it when it first came out. I didn't think it would be that big of a difference, but it really is. That 1911 grip angle, it just, I don't know, get on target a lot nicer, I feel like. Here's my Glock 45, just to compare it to it a little bit. I mean, when you rack it, it's a little bit more smoother and stuff. It's not as smooth, but it's not bad. I mean, I went backyard and shot it last night, and it shot great. Had no misfires, nothing. Me and my buddy built one of these the other day, and we were having trouble with some ammo not working with it and stuff, and I put it was 3 different kinds through it. Everything shot great. No hiccups at all. If you're on the fence about getting one of these, I mean, if you could do, like I said, if you can do stuff yourself, you won't have any problem at all. Just take your time, and all I did, I watched with the Marine Gun Builder. I watched a lot of his videos, and it showed me step by step what to do. I had a little problem with that, spring on the trigger and shit, but I mean, it took me about 20 minutes, but I got it. I'm no gun tech. Gun fucking smith, so I did it. Yeah, if you're on the fence about getting one, I wouldn't hesitate. I would definitely buy one. I'm probably gonna buy a 34 next. But yeah, it's a pretty awesome gun. I'm really liking it. I'm gonna get I'm not a big fan of the trigger. That's one thing. It's just a stock trigger though, so I guess I can't complain too much. But I'll probably go maybe get the Apex or a Zev trigger for it. Haven't really decided yet. I want to wait till I got a black and gray frame coming in too. I'm gonna get them done and put them on it just to see what they look like, and I'm gonna go from there. But other than that, man, this is an awesome gun. I think I spent 600, maybe 700 bucks on it, but it was worth every penny. If you're not a do-it-yourselfer though, but go with the regular Glock. you won't have any problem with that at all. You know, this, you might run into some problems. You might have to figure, you know, go online, look up some videos, figure out what you did wrong. But there's so much information out there on these guns that any problem you have, if you can't figure out, if you put it up on one of the blogs or something, someone will answer your question in like half an hour. So if you're on the fence about getting one, jump on it, especially if you can find them in stock, because Zaffiri Precision was the only one that I found that could actually send them to me within a couple weeks, you know, and I'm so glad I went with them. Their slides are awesome, and the quality is great. Got they've even the sights came installed on it. These are, I guess, the suppressor high sights. So, I mean, it's an awesome gun. So, thanks for watching, guys. And once again, if you're thinking about getting one, jump on it, because good luck finding them in stock right now. Alright, I'll see you guys later.